Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to convert video to audio in Capcut. So you open up your Capcut, tap on new project, so let's say this is a video I want to convert to audio. Tap on it, tap on add, it's loading, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on the video, and then at the bottom here you can see some options we're going to look for. Extract audio extracted. So now, okay, so I don't want to delete the only clip, but I've gotten the audio here. And that's it.